We are in Virginia taking a day trip to a pottery company in hopes to maybe pick up a Christmas tree. And we're not far into Virginia. We're actually staying at Mayberry Campgrounds in Mount Airy, North Carolina. But right off this little road here, there looks like an abandoned, vacant, maybe motel. It looks really cute. I mean, it's just very quaint looking. And of course, no trespassing signs are here, so I'm not going to venture in deep. But this place is cool looking. I mean, it really is. You can tell it's kind of falling in on itself. There's doors busted open. And but they got like a little water wheel here. And it looks like there's a observation area here, but there's water actually coming in. Oh, this is cool. Hey, Sandra, come here and look at this. This is really neat. But at one point in time, maybe the water, they had it somehow or another irrigated. Well, here it is. The pipe goes up and it was irrigated where it made this wheel move. Check out, look how deep, look how deep this is.
Oh, wow.
This is deep, really, really deep. And, but look, the pipe there, they had it piped. You could see the water right in here. And then the water came down and it made this wheel move. That really must have been impressive to see. This is just really cool. I don't know, there's no sign. Hey, look, there's more rooms back here. You see that? Wow, this is very impressive. It really must have been something to behold.
I'm assuming it was like a resort or something.
Yeah, maybe like a little resort. Yeah, because there's the observation pull off. We'll go over there in just a second. But it's right in here in the bend of this road. And I don't know, there's no name to it where I can see. And there what? Yeah, you look on GPS. Wow, that's got to be, and of course the bridge, it looks like the water goes under here. Right in this area here, somehow or another goes under the bridge there, or under the road. But abandoned. At one point in time, this place was happening. I could see this place being real popular in like the fall when the leaves are changing. Where's it at?
Right here.
This was the Blue Ridge Court and Restaurant in Fancy Gap, Virginia. Originally, it was known as the Double Branches Tavern and Inn. Huh.
It's because there are two branches of the stream that rush down the mountain and went over the road. A water mill was installed and the water is now traverses under the road through the culvert.
Wow.
Back before the road was put in, it was an old stagecoach trail. It would take 5 days to make it up. When the road was first made, cars weren't that sophisticated and many would overheat. They would stop at the tavern and it would be a stopping point to rest their cars and themselves.
Yeah, and this is off of Facebook.
Yeah.
This is off of a Facebook.
It says some say that it has a sordid past.
Hold on. The cars are getting us.
Some say it has a sordid past. Depending on who you talk to, rumors or urban legends have that a brothel was here in the early 1900s.
Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what it looked like way back in the day. It looked like it kind of goes across the road there. I don't know if there was something over here. It looked like there might have been something over here. But again, this was not planned. We just happened to drive past this, and just really a cool area. I wish they would do something with it. I'd hate to see this place just crumble to nothing, but it looked like that's about where it's headed if somebody don't take it over. And so, but this is cool. Okay, we are across the street, and this is another view of it. And there must have been something here at one point in time. From what the pictures that we saw, there was another building looked like it was in this location. And but man, would I love to walk through that place. But there is no trespassing signs, just for information. It looks like the roof on this building here, the building in the very back, it has completely collapsed in. Just a small section of it is still there. And there what? You got another picture?
Can you see it?
Can you guys see that?
I can see it.
Yeah.
I can see it. That's what it looked like then, and this is what it looks like now.
Yeah. Wow. I just really hate that they can't,
They said that somebody posted that they can't do indoor plumbing in it, or do the plumbing in it without it costing a small fortune.
Oh, so it's plumbing issues.
It says, this is what
It
says.
costs too much for the plumbing.
It says nothing can be done with the building. Sadly, there's
Here,
no,
get on this side, because they won't be able to hear you.
Nothing can be done with the building. Sadly, there's no way to install indoor plumbing. Well, at least no way that's feasible without spending a small fortune.
Wow. Wow, what a shame. What a shame. Hey, look at that house. Way up there. Man, I mean, but really, I mean, it's just, it's a shame, because this place would be the place to go to, like in the fall with the leaves and stuff. This would be a location. And, oh, what a shame, though. All because of plumbing issues. And, you know, I mean, they're way up here on the mountain. I mean, the mountain areas, I mean, just from our RV travels with campgrounds alone, we have learned of issues a lot of these places have because of the geographical location of them and the way the layout is. I mean, they're dealing with hills and rocks and water runoff, and it's even though it's a beautiful location, it's not always the best location. And it can be quite hazardous, well, from what we've seen, it's hazardous just to drive on these roads. And then their driveways get washed out, like this one right here. You can see where gullies, it get kind of washed out, even though this right here looked like it was paved at one point in time. I don't know, it's hard to tell. But over in this area here, it looks like it's just washing out. And that's what they're constantly dealing with. And so, but at any rate, guys, we hope you've enjoyed this. Just something on the side of the road. It adds a little character, but a little bit of history to the place also.